Hi sir, this is first of all introduce myself. This is Sudarshan from 2nd BTech, nominal as 244G5A0330 from Mechanical Engineering Department. So I would want to submit my CAA-2 assignment as in the subject of numerical methods and transformation techniques, subject code as 23MAT05. Topic I had as a problem. Let us see. First of all, we want to know the problem which I get. So find the Fourier sine transformation of e power minus ax by x and deduce that integration of 0 to pi, limit as 0 to pi, e power minus ax minus e power minus bx by x into sine sx into dx is equal to tan inverse of s by a minus tan inverse of s by b. Let us solve this problem. Let us solve this problem. Solution. Let us solve this. So given that f of x is equal to e power minus ax by x. So from the Fourier sine transform f of s about f of x is equal to integration of limit as 0 to infinity f of x into sine px into dx is equal to integration of limit as 0 to infinity e power minus ax by x into sine px into dx. So first, after that we would want to differentiate the both sides with respect to p. So after that we get as a equation of d by dp of f of s about f of x is equal to integration of limit as 0 to infinity x into e power minus ax into cos px by x into dx is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power ax cos px into dx. Let us go forward in this problem. So again after that we getting the differentiation the both sides. After we want to integrate the both sides with respect to p. So integrating the both sides with respect to p, we get the equation as f of s about f of x is equal to integration of 0 to infinity limit as a by a square plus p square into dp, that is equal to tan inverse of p by a. Let us go forward. So after that f of s into f of x is equal to f of s of e power minus ax by x is equal to tan inverse of p by a. Let us assume this equation. Let us assume this as equation 1. Therefore we also know that integration of a by a square plus x square into dx is equal to tan inverse of x by a. So if p is equal to 0, then f of s of f of x is equal to 0. So then f of x is equal to 0. Similarly, let us see the equation f of s into f of x is equal to f of s d power bx by x is equal to tan inverse of p by b. Let us assume this equation as equation 2. Let us go forward in this problem. So now f of s into f of x is equal to f of s of e power minus ax minus e power minus bx by x is equal to f of s of e power minus ax by x minus f of s of e power minus bx by x. So from we want to combine the both equation about 1 and 2 from the from 1 and 2 equation f of s is equal to e power minus ax by minus e power minus bx by x. That implies tan inverse of p by a minus tan inverse of p by b. We get this equation. Let us go forward in this problem. We know that Fourier sine transformation, that is integration of 0 to x f of x into sine px into dx is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus ax minus e power minus bx by x sin px into dx, that is equal to tan inverse of p by a minus tan inverse of p by b. So we get this equation from Fourier sine transformation. So let us go forward in this problem. So by replacing p as s, then we get the equation as integration of 0 to infinity e power minus ax minus e power minus bx by x into sin sx into dx is equal to tan inverse of s minus a minus tan inverse of s minus b. Hence that is proved. The conclusion as the problem is solved. So thank you for giving this opportunity.